Yes. Hi students, let us continue the trigonometry, that is multiple and submultiple angles. In a previous video, we have taken that multiple angles, sine of 2x, cos of 2x. What is the sine 2x? 2 sin x into cos x in terms of sine and cos. Suppose in terms of tan is nothing but 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. And apart from that, cos of x is equal to 4 forms cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of tan is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square of x. Now next one is tan of 2x. What is the tan 2x? The same process we need to follow as we found out a cos 2x and the sin 2x. Here tan 2x is that tan of 2x can be replaced as a x plus x. Now which is of the form tan of x plus y. What is the tan of x plus y? Tan x plus the tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So that in place of y, x is there. So tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Instead of writing the y, I just write as a x because in place of y, x is there. Now what we can write? Tan x plus tan x, 2 times of tan of x divided by 1 as it is minus tan x into tan x is tan square of x. So what is the tan of 2x? Tan of 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square of x. This is the tan of 2x value. So we got a sin 2x value, cos 2x value, tan 2x value. Sin 2x there are 2 results, cos 2x there are 4 results, and tan 2x there is only 1 result. So these are the multiple angles for the 2x. Instead of the 2x, suppose the 3x were there. Next point is, suppose if you wish to get that sine of 3x. What is the value of sine of 3x? To get the value of sine 3x, again the same thing, split it. How to split the 3x? Sine of 3x can be split as 2x plus x. 2x plus x is 3x, or else x plus 2x as your wish. You will get the same answer, nothing to worry. Now again, which is of the form sine of x plus y. What is the sine of x plus y? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. In place of x, 2x. In place of y, x. What will get? Sine of 2x into cos of x plus cos of 2x into sine of x. This is, we have used the formula, that is sine of x plus y or sine of a plus b. None of the same. Now again replace the sine of 2x value. What is the sine 2x value? Actually we need a sine of 3x value only in terms of sine. Here left hand side 3x is there, right hand side 2x is there, 2x is there, and cos x is there. So replace only in terms of x and in terms of sine. What we can replace the sine 2x in terms of sine and cos? Then we can write them as a sine x into cos of x. This is the sine of 2x into cos x as it is, plus cos of x. There are totally 4 results are there for the cos of x. So that write in terms of sine. What is the cos of 2x in terms of sine? That is 1 minus 2 sin square of x into this is sin x as it is. Now simplify. This is 2 as it is, sin x as it is, cos x into cos x is cos square of x plus 1 minus 2 sin square x into sin x. Sin x into 1 is sin of x minus as it is 2 sin square x into sin x is 2 sin cube of x. Now again replace the cos square of x. Why? Because I need the result in terms of only the sine. All are in terms of sine. Only cos square x is there. What we can write the cos square x in terms of sine? Using the trigonometric first identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So I need cos square x value. Left hand side sin square x separated into right hand side. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. So 2 times of sin of x into 1 minus sin square of x plus this is sin x as it is minus 2 sin cube of x as it is. 2 sin x into this bracket, what will get? 2 sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into sin square x, sin cube of x, this is the sin cube of x, plus remaining 2 terms as it is sin x minus 2 sin cube of x. So is equal to like terms. What are the like terms are there? 2 sin x is there, sin x is there. So 2 times of sin x plus 1 time of sin x is 3 times of sin x, minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 times sin cube x. So minus 2 minus 4 times of sin cube of x. This is the result of sin of 3x. What is the sin of 3x? Sin of 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube of x. This is the result for a sin of 3x. Very important result. Next, sin 3x is over. Now compose the cos of 3x. What is the cos of 3x? Again the same thing. Cos of 3x can be split as 2x plus x, or else you can split it as x plus 2x. Nothing same. Nothing to worry. You will get the same answer. Okay, I just split that 3x as 2x plus x. So cos of 2x plus x, which is of the form cos of x plus y. What is the cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So what we can write? Cos of x into cos of x minus sin of x into sin of x. And very carefully observe that left hand side 2x is that, right hand side 2x x. Here cos of 2x, here x is that. Don't write this cos square of x because angle is different. 2x is that, x is that. If there are same angle, then we can write. For example, here observe that sin x is here, 2 sin x is that, 1 times sin x is that. So that's why the same value. So 3 times of sin x. Different angle, we cannot write it. So 2x is that angle to x becomes a angle x. Now in that manner. Now the cos of 3x value we require in terms of cos. So write all the values in terms of cos. Cos of 2x in terms of cos. What is that? 2 cos square of x minus 1 into cos of x minus sin 2x value. We have two results for a sin 2x, either in terms of sin cos or in terms of tan. Which one is suitable? Here in terms of sin cos is suitable. 2 sin 2x into cos of x into sin of x. Now again we can write cos x into this bracket. 2 cos square x into cos x is cos cube of x minus cos of x minus 2 as it is. In terms of okay, here cos x I just write it as this. Sin x into sin x is sin square of x. Now sin square x is replaced in terms of cos by using the trigonometric first identity. 2 cos cube of x minus cos of x minus 2 cos of x into sin square x. I need in terms of cos, so that sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square of x minus 2 cos x into this bracket. What will get? 2 cos cube of x minus cos of x minus 2 cos x into this one minus 2 cos of x minus plus 2 cos square x into cos x is cos cube of x. Now check, is there any same terms are there? 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x. What is that? Like terms. That means 2x cube plus 2x cube man. So that we can write 4 times of cos cube of x. Here minus 1 time cos x minus 2 times of cos x. Then we can write minus 3 times of cos of x. This is the result of the cos of 3x. Now this is the value of cos 3x. Observe that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Here sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. There is a similarity sir, but only thing change in the sign. Here coefficient of linear sine function cos function is 3. Here also 3. Cube function product 4 is that. Here also 4 is that. Sign is different. They should have to change it. And on using or by observing these two result, observe that here left hand side angle 3x is that. Right hand side angle, observe that only x is that. That is the difference. Only x is that. Very simple to remember. If you are getting confusion to remember this one, remember either this result or this result. Alternatively, we can change it. Okay, so very important result. Sin 3x and the cos 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x as the sin 3x result. Cos 3x result is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos of x. Okay. Now let's move to the tan of 3x. What is the tan of 3x? As you people taken tan 3x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. What will you get for the tan of 3x? Okay. Tan of 3x is equal to, again the same thing. You can pause the video, try yourself. Get the tan of 3x in terms of tan. First of all, split 2x plus x. Then replace the tan of 2x value, simplify, get it. What will get? Tan 3x, we can write it as a tan of 2x plus x. This we can write tan of x plus y. What will get? Tan of 2x, tan x plus tan y. Y value is x divided by 1 minus tan of 2x into tan of x, because tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y power b. So now again replace the tan 2x value, tan 2x value. What is the tan of 2x value? That is 2 tan of x divided by 1 minus tan square of x plus tan x as it is divided by, again 1 minus, here also replace the tan of 3x value. What is that? 2 tan of x divided by 1 minus tan square of x into tan of x. I am just replacing the value tan to x. That's all. Now observe that all the ratios angle x is there. Okay. Now, how to simplify this one? Means take LCM and simplify. What is the LCM? Numerator LCM is 1 minus tan square x. Denominator also LCM is 1 minus tan square x. Take LCM. So 2 times of tan of x plus tan of x. Here the non-term 1 into multiply 1 minus tan square of x whole thing divided by, or else this thing divided by 1 minus tan square of x whole thing divided by. Denominator LCM 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus 2 times of tan of x into tan of x. This thing divided by 1 minus tan square of x. Shall I cancel this? 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x. Yes, you can cancel it. For example, x divided by 2, whole thing divided by y by 2. Can you cancel the 2 too? Yes. In this manner, I just cancel the 1 minus tan square of x. Next, multiply. What we get? 2 tan x plus tan x into this bracket is done. Write it. 2 tan of x plus tan x into this bracket. What we get? Tan x into 1 minus tan x into tan square x is tan cube of x whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x into tan x. Then we can write 2 tan square of x. Again, I just continue here. What will we get? One more step. Or else continue. 2 tan x plus tan x minus tan cube x is. First two terms are the like terms. 2x plus x in this manner. 2 tan x plus tan x is 3 times of tan of x minus tan cube of x as it is. Whole thing divided by 1 as it is minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x. Can I write it as minus 3 times of tan square x? Yes. Minus 1 as it is minus tan square x 1 time minus 2 times of tan square x. That becomes a minus 3 times of tan square x. What is the left hand side? Left hand side value is tan of 3x. What is the tan of 3x? Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square of x. These are the multiple angle result. What are the multiple angle results? So far we just got in a previous video 2 results, sin 2x, cos 2x. In this video, tan 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x and tan of 3x. These are all the formulas you have to remember. Let us continue. So here multiple angle result we just got. Now the next is submultiple angle. Submultiple angles. Here, yes, there are many formulae we have here. So submultiple angle. No need to worry. If you remember the multiple angles, we can easily get the submultiple angles. We can easily convert it. How do you convert? For example, suppose if you have the sine 2x. Sine 2x is equal to how much? Sine of x into cos of x into 2 or 2 sin x into cos x is that. Submultiple angle, I have already given that definition. Submultiple angles, angles which is of the form x by 2 or 3 into x divided by 2. These are also to be a submultiple angle. First of all, I just take the x by 2. This is said to be a submultiple angle. That means, suppose the angle 2x is there. For this angle 2x divided by 2, what happens? Divided by 2 to get cancelled x. Whenever 2x is there, divided by 2, x is becomes 2x by 2 is nothing but x. Then again dividing x by 2. How to get this? Means I am just going to write directly here. Sine of x becomes only the x. This angle half. 2x angle half is x. What is the angle x half? That means this is 2 times of angle x half is x by 2. Cos of x by 2. This is the result of half angle for the sine ratio. This is the sine of x. Sine of x is equal to 2 sine x by 2 cos of x by 2. Angle value is x by 2. This divided by 2 is divided by 2. This is not for the sine ratio. This is only for the angle value. Are you clear? Okay. Okay. This is the 2 is product with only the angle in that manner. What is the half angle formula for the sine? Sine x is equal to 2 sine of x by 2 cos of x by 2. How do you get this one? Non dividing the only for x. This angle half of this angle 2x by 2 is x. Half of this angle, half of this angle. That's all. This is the one result. Similarly, I am just going to write directly cos of x. 4 columns are there for the cos of x. One is cos of x. Already know that. I am just write here. Cos of x is equal to what are the result? Cos square x minus sin square x is that. Okay. Here angle 2x. Right answer is only the angle x. 2x angle divided by 2. Angle x by 2. Angle x by 2 divided by 2 for the each angle. Half of this angle. Half of this angle. Half of this angle. What is the half of this angle? That is the cos of x. Next, half of this angle means what we get? Cos square of x by 2 minus sin square of x by 2. That's it. So now the remaining value I am just going to write directly, that is in terms of cos is 2 cos square of x by 2 minus 1. In terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square of x by 2. In terms of tan is 1 minus tan square of x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square of x by 2. These are the half angle formula for the cos of x. No need to remember this one. If you know the multiple angle cos of 2x value, we can easily get these result. No need to worry. Similarly, tan of x. What is the tan of x? Tan 2x value, know that. What is the tan 2x value? 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Half angle is equal to tan of x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square of x by 2. So these are the half angle formulas for the sine, cos and the tan. Just remember these values, or else you are capable to convert it as your wish. If you have a memory, you can remember. If you are not able to remember these values, you are capable to convert it as using the previous result. Sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x. So there is no question or alternatives for that previous result. You must and should remember those values. Whatever the hint you can manipulate, you just remember all the values. And just immediately enter into your formula list. Now, using these all the formulas, let's take a problems. How the problems is going to solve using these results? What are the results? I am just tells you for solved. Cos of x plus 5, cos of x minus 5, sin of x plus 5, sin of x minus 5, tan of x plus 5, tan of x minus 5. Next, these are all the compound angles, sum of the difference of the two angles, and cot of x plus 5, cot of x minus 5. Leftovers, multiple and the submultiple, sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, sin 3x, cos 3x, tan of 3x. These are all the multiple angles. Submultiple angles. Submultiple angles are also called as a half angles. These submultiple angles also called as a half angle formulas or half angles. Half angles are sin x, cos x, and the tan of x. Similarly, you can write the cos of 3x by 2, sin of 3x by 2. That is not necessary. We can easily convert it. So, better to remember this one. If you remember this one, instead of converting, instead of wasting time of converting, you can utilize that time to solve the problem. In the examination, you can save the time. Okay, based on these all the results, let's take problems. Yes. Examples. Find the value of the following. In that, first one, sine of 75 degree. Okay. What is the value of sine of 75 degree? As you people solved in a previously, I already know that the sine value of 0, sine 0, sine of 30 degree, sine of 45 degree, sine of 60 degree, sine of 90 degree, as well as sine of 180 degree, or 270 degree, or 360 degree. These are all the values made it as a standard angle. These are standard angles, 8 standard angles for all the 6 trigonometric ratios, corresponding 6 trigonometric ratios value, we know that. But here we are not known that sine of 75 value. Okay. We can, using the allied angle, we have found out the value of sine of 120 or sine of 240, like that. This type of angle we have found out by help of the allied angle. Allied angle means 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, like that we found out. But with the help of the allied angle, we cannot get this value. So that reason, I just extend the words as a compound angle, sum and difference of the two angle. How to find the sine of 75? Means this is 75. I am just going to split into two standard angles. How I just split this 75 means sine of 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. 75 degree can be written as 45 degree plus 30 degree. Sine actually sine. 75 only split as a 45 plus 30. What is the 45 plus 30? 75. Now this is the value. Okay. Now which is of the form? Sine of x plus y. What is the sine of x plus y? Sine of x. That means sine 45 cos of 30 degree plus cos of 45 degree sine of 30 degree. Have you remember this formula? You must and should remember. So it is of the form sine of x plus y or sine of a plus b. Whatever the manner you can remember. Using this formula, I just replace the result. Now with this, already know the standard values of sine 45, cos 30, cos 45, sine 30. Yes, replace it, simplify. What is the sine of 45? 1 divided by root 2. Sine cos of 30, cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Plus as it is plus cos of 45. What is the cos 45? 1 divided by root 2. Sine of 30 is 1 divided by 2. Okay. So 2 into root 2, 2 into root 2 is the LCM. 2 into root 2. Here root 3 is the plus 1. So what is the sine of 75? The sine of 75 value is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. You can remember this value. Next, again the cos of 50 degree value. Suppose if you want to find that, second example as the cos of 50 degree value. Is it possible to find the cos of 50 degree value? Yes. the cos 15 degree is same as the sin 75 pi means I just write that, or else we can write it cos of that means 45 minus 30 degree. 45 degree minus 30 degree will get the 15 cos of 45 minus 30 is 15 cos of x minus y. What is the cos of x minus y? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. You can use it. Instead of using this one, what I just do is, or I just write this one cos as sin of 90 minus, or else first of all cos of 90 minus 75. 15 can be written as 90 minus 75. Already know that allied angles. So 90 minus 75 is 15. What is the cos of 90 minus theta? Cos of 90 minus first quadrant. First quadrant all the ratio. 90 is that, so cos changes to sin of 75. Already know the sin 75 value. What is the sin 75 value? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2 is also the value of cos of 15 degree. Because observe that here cos of 30 value is, or sin 45 value is same as cos 45. Cos of 30 value is same as sin of 60, like that it repeats. So that cos 15 value is equal to sin of 75. Okay. Or you just get in this manner 45 minus 30 cos of x minus y formula will get the same answer, root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. Next is, I just take that tan of 15 degree. Find the value of tan of 15 degree. Again, I have already given a hint in a previous problem. You can proceed it, pause the video, get the value. Let's check it. Okay, tan of 15. How I just split 15? 15 can be written as 45 minus 30 degree. Now, which is of the form tan of x minus y. What is the tan of x minus y? I just write the formula. Which formula I am just going to write? Tan of x minus y formula. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y, in that manner. So tan of 45 minus tan of 30 degree whole thing divided by 1 plus tan of 45 into tan of 30 degree. What is the tan of 45? Is 1 minus of this tan of 30. Tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3. Whole thing divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Simplify. Numerator root 3 is LCM. Denominator also root 3 is LCM. So numerator root 3 minus 1. Denominator root 3 plus 1. Divided by root 3. Divided by root 3. Get cancel. This is the value of tan of 15. Or else further we can simplify. How do you simplify further? Means rationalize this result. Rationalize is nothing but in Karnamaniam Karnika, we just say that. Rationalize the denominator. What I am just going to do means multiply and divided by root 3 minus 1. Multiply and divided by root 3 minus 1. Simplify. What will get? Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. A minus b, A minus b, A minus b whole square. So root 3 square plus 1 square minus root 3 into 1 divided by minus 2 into root 3 into 1 divided by a plus b, A minus b, A square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1 square. So what is the value? 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 into root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Numerator 2 is common. 2 is common. 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. What is the value? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3 is the required value of tan of 15. Tan 15 value is same as the cot of 75. Cot 75 value and tan 15 value are same. That value is 2 minus root 3. So till so far, how many problems? Sin 75, cos 15 value, tan 15 value, cot 75 value. Similarly, we can find the value of, what is the value of cos of 75? Cos 75 can be split as cos of 45 plus 30. What will get? Cos of x plus y. What is the cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So that is cos of 45 cos of 30 minus sin of 45 into sin of 30 degree. What is the cos 45? 1 by root 2. Cos of 30 root 3 divided by 2 minus sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin of 30 1 by 2. What is the result? 2 into root 2 is the numerator root 3 minus 1. So what is the cos of 75? Cos 75 value is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This value is same as the sin of 15 degree because sin of or cos of, we can write cos 75 can be written as cos of 90 minus 15. What is the cos of 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So it is a sin of 15. Cos 75 value is equal to the sin of 15. So here totally the 6 values we got. What are the 6 values? Sin 75 value, cos 15 value, tan 15 value, cot 75 value, and cos of 75 value, sin of 15 value. Like that. This type of problems might be asked from the 1 marks or 2 marks session or in the 6 marks question also, that is cos of x plus y derivation. Apart from that, along with that cos of x plus y derivation, find the value of cos of 75. Find the value of cos of 75 value, that might be also asked. Now let's take the different type of the problems. Yes. Prove that 3 sin of pi by 6 sec of pi by 3 minus 4 into sin of pi by 6 into cot of pi by 4. This LHS part is equal to 1. We need to prove it. Okay. So here combiningly, I am just solving the third exercise. Already different formulas were also taken. Since from the first class of the trigonometry onwards, you must and should remember every point, each and every point. If you have got any confusion, just turn your pages of your notes and clarify, etc. Okay. Now here some of the angles are there. Those angle value on simplifying we have to get it as a adjustment. What is the pi by 6? Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. You must and should remember. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. Pi by 6. What is the pi by 6? Already know that how to split, how to find this pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. 30 into pi, 300. 30 into pi is 1 second. 30 into pi, 150. So 150 degree. This is the 150 degree. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degree. Okay. So how to split this? How to find that sin of 150 degree? The radian measure is that convert pi by 6 is required. Pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 value obviously will get it. Are you sure? Sin of 180 minus theta. 180 minus second quadrant sin is equals to sin of pi by 6. Okay. So now you are capable to do that result directly. Okay. Now what we need to do? LHS equal to RHS. We have to get it. LHS value. What is LHS value? 3 into sin of pi by 6 sec of pi by 3. If you are not convenient with the radian measure, you can convert into degree measure. That's the fact. Minus 4. Now I just split this one. Sin of pi minus pi by 6 into cot of pi by 4. Okay. For this, I think no need to explain much more because already just solved this type of problems previously. Okay. Now is equal to 3 as it is. Replace that, or else first of all, for simplifying this one, keep as it is. Sin of pi by 6 sec of pi by 3 minus 4. Sin of 180 minus theta is sin theta. So sin of pi by 6 into cot of pi by 3. Now replace all the value. 3 into. What is the sin of pi by 6? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 into sec. Sec is nothing but reciprocal of cos. Cos of 60 is 1 by 2. Sec is that, so it is just a 2. Next minus 4 into Sine of 30, sine 30 is 1 by 2 into cot of pi by 4, cot 40 pi, tan 40 pi is 1, cot 40 pi is also 1. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here 2 get cancelled. What is left? 3 is left, minus 2 is left. What is the required answer? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Hence the RHS. So we just consider the LHS. We got the RHS result. Hence the proof of this one. So this type of problems are very important for the examination point. So this type of question might be asked for the 2 mark section or 1 mark section also. Sometimes they start. So instead of asking that, prove that, sometimes they start find the RHS value. In that manner also they might have asked. Now in this manner, let's take the one more problem. Yes. Prove that sin square of pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This minus is outside the square. Previously the linear values they are given, here square is there. Okay. LHS equal to RHS we have to put. Pi by 6 30 degree, pi by 3 60 degree, pi by 4 45 degree. LHS value. So I just little bit way that sine of pi by 6 whole square. Sin square pi by 6 can be written as sin of pi by 6 whole square. Similarly, cos of pi by 3 whole square minus tan of pi by 4 whole square. Are you sure? Because already know that sin square of x can be written as sin of x whole square in that manner. Okay. Now we can easily replace sin of pi by 6. What is the sin of 30 degree? 1 by 2 whole square plus cos of 30 again 1 by 2 whole square minus tan of 45 is 1 square. Now we write 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4, 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 2 times of 1 by 4 minus 1 as it is. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Or take LCM, simplify, we get the answer. Now have you got the required RHS? LHS equal to RHS. So this type of problems are very important. Now the next problem. Yes. Find the value of tan of 13 pi by 12. What is the 13 pi by 12? If you want to convert into degree measure, you can convert. Before that, 13 pi by 12. So it is larger. More than pi is that. I just write that tan of 13 pi as pi plus pi by 12. Check it. On simplifying, will you get the 13 pi by 12 or not? Pi plus pi by 12. What is the pi plus pi by 12? 12 is LCM. 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 12. So tan of 180 plus theta. What is the tan of 180 plus theta? It is the third quadrant tan of theta pi by 12. Now we have a doubt that what is meant by pi by 12? Pi by 12 convert radian measure to degree measure. How do we convert? Required degree measure is equal to radian measure into 180 pi by get cancel. 4 3s are 12. 4 40 5s are 3 15s are. That means pi by or pi by 12 is equal to how many degrees? 15 degrees. Already know the tan of 15 degrees. What is the tan of 15 degrees? So pi by 12 is nothing but 15 degrees. Tan 15 degrees is equal to how much? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. If you are not convinced this one, again the same thing. This is split. Previously just made it. Tan of 15 degree can be written as 45 minus 30. That we just got tan 45 minus 30 means tan of x minus y. Tan 45 minus tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan 30 into tan of 30 degree. There we just got the result. Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. We have just rationalized and simplified. We got the result as 2 minus root 3. If you are remember tan 15 value, directly you can write the value. No problem. We will get the full marks. If you are not remember, just manipulate this one. Simplify root 3 minus 2 divided by root 3 minus 1, that will become 2 minus root. Either this one or this one. It is left to you, depending upon your knowledge. Anyway, so with this problem, I just stop here. So based on this type of problems, you just practice it same manner. The remaining problems will continue in the next video. Okay, thank you.